The wig I'm going to be reviewing today is the Quick Weave Bohemian Long Ultra synthetic wig. I do not have the box for this wig. I compile all my wigs in a closet and I don't have time to save the boxes, so I didn't save it. All you're really going to need is the way that you like to maintain your hair under a wig cap. You're going to need a wig cap and you're going to need a comb. Only two things that I'm using to show you. I'm going to start by putting my hair in this wig cap. So once my hair is in a wig cap, I like to leave some of my perimeter out, and you'll see why in a minute. This wig does not come with any adjustable straps. It does have combs in the back and combs in the front perimeter area. This is how the wig looks once I put it on. I have worn this wig before reviewing it, so I like to keep my wigs out a little bit, just for a couple days as they start getting in their natural state. The reason why I kept my perimeter out is because in my wigs, I like it to look realistic. So once you have it on your head, I like to put the adjustable combs locked in my hair just in case. I don't usually touch the combs up above just because my hair is thick, so I don't need to, but if you need to use your combs, then go ahead and do that. I take out a little bit of hair. So because the fact that I washed my hair already, it's going to blend very well with the hair as it is. As you can see, my hair is not always going to blend, and it depends how much you want out. I don't want that much out, so I'm going to pull the wig closer to me. And this is pretty much the review of the hair. This hair is okay. It tangles. It will get matted in the back if you don't keep up with it. But like I said, I used it a little bit and wore it a little bit before, which was fine. But I also put it on a mannequin head. I'll let it sit back there on my mannequin head for a couple days just so it won't get matted in the package. But for the most part, the curls are nice and fresh. The only thing that is a little rough is this area, because this is the area that I play with the most. If you want to tuck it, you can tuck it to make it look a little more realistic. Up to you. Like I said, everybody's hair might not mesh, just like mine ain't meshing the best right there. So this is pretty much the wig as it is in its natural state. This is how far it comes down. If I was wearing this wig out, which I am not, I would put gel and some more stuff to slick my edges down and make it look even more realistic than what it already does. This wig is the best. I like wearing this wig out. I will also put some photos in this video so you can see what the wig was like when I did wear it and I did style it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like my video.